No. No, you can't. You can't! Please. Don't do this. Fine. This is bullshit.
George.
You made the right call. Good girl.
Estelle?
Do you hear them? Their cries? I'm so scared.
It'll be okay.
Oh no, they're screaming. They're screaming.
Estelle, you are okay. I promise no one is going to hurt you.
No, I can't.
Estelle, I need you to breathe. Just don't leave. Please, can you do that? Can you stay? What are you doing?
I'm leaving. I was offered a part in a movie overseas. It's a big role.
That's incredible.
I've known for a while. I didn't want to tell you like this. I'm sorry.
No. That's amazing. I'm happy for you.
I want you to come with me. We can leave together.
Why would I do that?
Because things have gotten out of control. It can't go on like this anymore. It's too much.
I have everything in control.
No, you don't. You know that.
I have everything in control.
Stop pretending with me, Paula. Just stop. This isn't you. You don't have to bullshit me.
George, this is all I have. It's all I want. And it's not just for me, it's for everyone. I'm helping people.
Who? That mob outside?
Yes, my audience.
And what about Charles? What about us? Do you even realize how much you're hurting the people around you?
No, I'm not hurting anyone. I'm helping them.
That's not your responsibility.
I'm helping them, George. I'm helping them feel something in this miserable fucking world.
And what about you?
I am nothing.
Paula.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry.
You're fired.
Paula.
I'm leaving. I want you to be gone when I get back.
Paula, please. You're my best friend. I love you.
Goodbye, George.
They were gone by the end of the week. We never had a last bow together. But they did leave me with one last goodbye.
My
friend.
I
will miss you.
When the
daylight
daylight comes, we no longer will be. No tears for you. No tears for me. No tears left for the world. Just be you. Just be.
Just breathe.
is alive and thriving again and again and again.
Stop. Down a dark, narrow street in Paris, in a sordid, dingy neighborhood, it stood. It was calling to me, a sheltered monastery, lying at the end of a roughly cobbled court. A sacred place a sacred place.
Georges, have you ever thought about just how insignificant our lives are?
Only all the time.
I mean it. What's the point? We spend our lives looking for some kind of purpose, and then we all eventually die. And these people, these fans, these spectators, they latch on to this morbid persona, this capital V victim. They come here for a show, so they can feel something in their insignificant lives, and night after night after night after night, they watch me die, like some kind of sick sacrifice.
Please feel something. I want to feel.
And my former life? My former life just seems like an illusion, a mask, an error. My roles are my life now. How sad is that? My roles are my life, and it makes me happy. Like I have a reason to live, like I have some kind of purpose, you know? The great Paula Maxa!
Paula, places.